Well, good morning on this beautiful Sunday. Of course, we are expecting the warm temperatures once again. A little bit warmer than what we saw yesterday. Yesterday, we were 1 degree off from that record of 65, so we saw 64 officially at the airport for your Saturday. Sunday, of course, even warmer temperatures. We're going to break all that down for you. But thank you so much for joining in. I'm Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Jaden Knowles on this beautiful Sunday morning. Here's your 7-day forecast and what's forecasted. Of course, 68 today. That record is 67. We are talking about some fire danger. But tomorrow, even warmer, or I shouldn't say even warmer, but another warm day, 61 degrees. And then noticing by the end of the week, by Thursday into Friday, could see some snow flurries. Not really a major event, but it's going to feel like January finally. So as I mentioned, that record is 67, which was set back in 1956. Our average high is 44 degrees, and we're forecasted to see 68 degrees as a high for this afternoon. So here's your Broncos forecast. Of course, just a warm, lots of sunshine. By kickoff, we already will see that high of 68 degrees. But this evening, by the end of the game, the low 50s, a clear and nice night. We'll start to see clouds roll back in, at least for the high country. So talking about the 60-degree temperatures, the most that we've seen so far on record is back in 1981. That was 34 days. And then you can see where we're sitting at right now, 21 days so far that we've seen the 60s. And we're going to add to that number as we head into the afternoon hours, hitting 22. And that's going to put us right after that 1934 record, who saw 24. So we could continue adding that as we're in this winter season. Very unusual, a different statistic there. But overall, because of the warm temperatures as well as the gusty conditions, we are talking about that fire danger. We do have a fire weather warning stretching all the way down the I-25 corridor, down towards the south along the state line. So we are expecting gusts up to 40 miles per hour in some locations, even 60 miles per hour along the foothills, and humidity as low as 12%. So if you see any smoke or anything in that nature, don't be hesitant to call 911 so we can make sure we can handle that rather quickly than later. Overall, though, looking at your current gust, you can see already up to 50 miles per hour towards Boulder. And those winds, those gusty conditions are going to continue to track towards the metro area. You can see Golden very close to 20 mile per hour wind gust already. And that's in the forecast to see gusts close to 20 to 25 miles per hour before finally starting to die back down early tomorrow morning, but it's still pretty gusty along the foothills, and that will be expected tomorrow morning. Here's your satellite and radar. Really not much going on precipitation-wise. Finally quiet along the East Coast. I know the East Coast yesterday, like Chicago, saw the early snow showers, and even over towards New York. Finally nice and dry, and that's because that high pressure system is continuing to build in, and that is expected to stay dry for us across the state this afternoon. Lots of sunshine. I mean, look at this futurecast, 3:30. Just sunshine, sunny conditions up and down the I-25 corridor, especially over towards the eastern plains. But then we'll start to see those clouds roll in, and we are expecting to see some precipitation, mainly towards the high country. Here's tomorrow morning early at 6 a.m., seeing steady snowfall across Steamboat Springs, Glenwood Springs, even down towards Aspen, and that will continue to the afternoon hours. Now, for us across the metro area, we could see maybe a stray shower or two, but I wouldn't count on it. I don't have a lot of rain in my forecast for us across the metro. We're already at 60 degrees, seeing lots of sunshine. As I mentioned, a very warm day. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some 70-degree temperatures out there. I mean, it's still early in the morning, and we're already seeing 60 as of right now. 75 degrees is your forecast, the high for Burlington today. 73 down in Lamar, 40s and 50s in the high country, and then also the mid-50s for the western slope. Tonight, 33 degrees. We'll start to see those clouds roll back in. So tomorrow we are expecting mostly cloudy conditions, but 61 degrees will be our high. As I mentioned, another day adding on to that, those 60s for the wintertime. Here's the rest of your 7-day forecast. We're still watching closely for that system expected to bring some flurries for us across the Front Range on Thursday, especially even into Friday. But here's the good news. I mean, the cooler temperatures as we head into next weekend. I know a lot of people have been missing the winter feel, and we're finally going to feel it as we head into Friday and Saturday of next week, but still staying warm for Monday, Tuesday, as well as Wednesday. I'm Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Jaden Knowles, and thank you so much for joining in.